Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an external bank account to Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Link an account. Now on this page, you will see an option that says Link External Accounts. Click on Link External Accounts. First, select the bank you wish to link. Here, enter your bank credentials. Since I am going to link Fifth Third Bank, I entered my user ID and password. That's how you link an external bank account to Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.